In this guide, I'll show you the best PS5 Welcome Hub settings for a clean, minimalist layout. So the first thing you want to do is scroll down and scroll up, and we're going to go to Settings in the top right corner. Now under Welcome Hub Settings, where it says Temporary Widgets Position, change this from above to below, and then go back. So now we're going to scroll over and select Edit Widgets, and you have to keep at least 3 widgets, so go ahead and select the widgets that you want to keep. And then you want to simply turn all of the other ones off. So here you can see the 3 widgets that I currently have. So first, I'm going to press square on battery level, and you want to get 2 widgets in this row and then confirm. So now what I'm going to do, since I want console storage in the far right corner, so I'm going to press square to move it, and then I'm going to increase the size as much as possible, so you'll see that it's now moved into the 3rd row. So now all you need to do is simply decrease the size on this one, and then you can put it in the bottom right corner. So now with these other ones, I'm simply going to adjust them so that they're down in the bottom. And with this one right here, it's a little bit too big, so I'm going to move it and decrease the size. And then you'll see I now have 3 in the bottom. And if you want to change the background that you're currently using, select Change Background in the top right corner, where you can select animated backgrounds from PlayStation, games, and more. This guide was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.